Hi, this is Zach with Strains of the Earth, and today we are harvesting some mushrooms. And with these mushrooms, I will be making mushroom bacon. So the first thing I do is clean my equipment with these Tech pads. Then comes the fun part. We get to pull these mushrooms off of this block. And in this case, these guys popped out of this thing like fireworks. See if you can see those. That's a nice big cluster. Here we go. So the next step, you want to take your individual mushrooms, cut off the cap, and then we're going to slice these into thin strips. Until you get something about like that. So our next step is to lay the slices that we just sliced out onto these grates to put in the dehydrator for about an hour, and that's going to give them a nice consistency like a strip of bacon. So now I'm going to set my dehydrator to 123 degrees for 1 hour. I'm going to let it preheat for about 10 minutes before I pop the mushrooms in. And they should look about something like that. We're going to put together the bath that we're going to bathe these bad boys in. We're going to pop in this 2/3 cups of low sodium soy sauce. And then I've got a tablespoon of black pepper and a tablespoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of umami mushroom seasoning, and a tablespoon of mushroom extract powder. In this case, we are using Raza Magnificent Mushrooms extract. Then we're also going to need a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of maple syrup. Then we're going to go a little heavy on that. And then we're also going to add just a little pinch of salt. Alright, so we're just going to whisk that together really good. Once you got that bath nice and mixed up, we're going to start adding our mushroom strips. So I did end up dehydrating these a little longer than I would have liked to have. So they are a little bit crispy, which is okay, because this will soften them up, soaking them in this bath. We're going to soak them for about a half an hour. We're at the point where we can start putting our mushroom bacon in the frying pan and fry these bad boys. All right, let's give it a try. A little salty. I probably would have taken out the additional salt that I put in, but you can do that at home. But give it a try, give the recipe a try, and let me know how you like it. Let me know how it goes in the comments.